Greetings, dear learners. I am faculty of mathematics at SRN International School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. In this video, I will be explaining you the topic of mathematics of grade 9. So the topic for today's video is Euclides geometry. So let us begin with the topic. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand Euclid's definitions, identify various axioms and postulates, understand equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate and axiom of fifth postulate. So, introduction to Euclid. Euclid is called the father of geometry not because he invented it but because in books Elements is the oldest geometry text we have in the Western world today. Euclid believed each part of geometry should be based on previously proven parts. However, something has to be starting point and he proposed four undefined terms and five basic axioms. The rest of Euclidean geometry is based upon these building blocks. So now see the Euclides definition. Euclides divided the elements into 13 chapters, each called a book. These books influenced the whole world's understanding of geometry for generations to come. Various aspects of Euclid's definitions are as follows. A point is that which has no part. A line is the breadthless length. The ends of a line are called points. A surface is that which has length and breadth only. The edges of surfaces are called as lines. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with a straight lines on itself. These were the points to remember. A point, a line and a plane concepts only these terms taken as undefined. Now, when we study the Euclid's definition, line, point, straight line all come under the consideration. Now, next is axioms and postulates. The axioms or common notions are about relationships. What does equal mean? How do you add or subtract things? And so on. These are assumptions which are self-evident rules. Some of the Euclid's axioms or common notions are things which are common to the same thing are equal to one another. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Things which coincide with one another are equals to one another. The whole is greater than the part. Things which are double of the same thing are equals to one another. Things which are half of the same things are equals to one another. These were the axioms and postulates. Now let's talk about postulate. The postulates about straight lines, circles, right angles and parallel lines. These have been defined already. So let us begin with the postulate number 1. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. As you can see in the figure, a terminated line can be produced n number of times, that is indefinitely. Now comes to postulate number 3. The other postulates are a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Postulate number 4. All right angles are 90° each. Postulate 5, as you can see, two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on the side on the which sum of angles is less than two right angles. You can see in the figure angle 1 and angle 2 coincide and they are less than two right angles. Now, postulate 1 to 5 is all about, which is related to the axiom as well. Now the theorems and propositions. Theorems are the statements which are proved using axioms and previously proved statements and deductive reasoning. So these were the Euclid geometry topic. Thank you for listening it carefully. Keep shining, stay healthy. Subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you.